Adobe After Effects can be a rather complicated program to use, including something as simple as exporting a video. My name is Abdullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can export videos or render videos in After Effects. So once you're in After Effects, the first thing that you're going to have to do is, edit your video. Once you're done, head over to File and then to Export and then click Add to Render Queue. Now this will add your video to the render queue. So we're going to render settings to select the best possible quality or however you want to render this. Then in the next step, click on the output to field and save the video wherever you want to save it, name it whatever you want. Click save once you're done. And now you can just click the render button and that's that. Your video will now start rendering. It'll take a second to wipe through the entire pipeline. And then as you can see, the timeline will automatically start progressing. You will see movement in the composition section as the timeline goes through the entirety of your video to render it once and for all. And that's that. That's how you can export videos in After Effects. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, and in case these videos aren't as helpful, do consider becoming a member to the channel so we can help you out in a greater ability. Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.